Lock all of your doors and windows now and don't open it for anyone, even if it is a human being. If you hear door open or windows shuttered, do not react and make sure to find a safe.
Nothing is worth the risk, 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 nothing is worth the risk.